Building a review section in WordPress is a perfect blend of structure, creativity, and tech-savvy storytelling. Whether you're crafting a niche review hub or adding a dynamic testimonial section to an existing site, here's a guide on how you can add that. So first, go ahead and open the Pages tab on your WordPress account. Go ahead and click on the page where you want to add the review section. So you can go ahead and edit that specific page by hovering your mouse into that from the list and then clicking on that edit button to start editing that. So once you're on the edit page, you can go ahead and simply click on this plus button, which you'll find at the top left of your screen, to add elements to your page. And then from here, search for a review. And then on the results, you'll be able to find the star rating and measure NPS elements, but you can also find this presets that you can add to your page. So this presets can be used to add the review section of this page. So you just need to simply click on that specific preset and then you can go ahead and edit the things that this preset contains. So go ahead and customize the text for this review section and then click on save at the top right of your screen to save the changes and add this section into that page that you've selected. And once you access this in view site, you'll be able to find the review section for this page. And that is how you can basically build a review WordPress site. If this was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.